What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your cache memory within Spotify. Right, so on the uppermost left hand side you want to click on the letter A, that's to go into my profile here, and you will see the same based on your username. You will see whichever letter that associate with your username. Right, so now you want to click on settings and privacy, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says storage, guys. So here on the storage you will be able to see quite a few details there for your storage. You will also find remove all downloads, and then you have clear cache. Right, so you can clear the cache to free up storage, and in order to do so, guys, all you have to do is just click on clear cache. Now for me, you see that I have over 400 megabytes of cache data there, so it's very important for you to keep an eye on that on your storage and free up those cache memory. Right, so in order to clear that, just simply click on clear cache. You'll have this pop-up box, and then you have to just simply click on clear cache, and that will clear the cache. And now you can see now that my cache data is cleared and my cache memory is now empty. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.